Looking for ceiling speakers that combine powerful sound with effortless installation? The Pyle 8-inch ceiling speakers are designed to deliver exactly that. With a 70-volt transformer and an 8-ohm bypass setting, these speakers work seamlessly with both commercial PA systems and regular home audio receivers. Whether you want booming, rich sound or subtle background music, these speakers adapt to your needs. What really sets these speakers apart is their impressive frequency response, ranging from 55 Hz to 22 kHz. Equipped with a directable 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, they produce crisp highs and clear mids. The 8-ohm impedance and 300 watts peak power handling ensure robust performance without distortion. Plus, their flush mount design makes installation a breeze. You can mount them in wall or in ceiling, and the included template simplifies cutting the perfect hole, measuring 9 3/8 inches in diameter and 5 3/4 inches deep. One satisfied customer shared how these speakers exceeded expectations for the price. After replacing older, cheaper units, they noticed a significant improvement in sound clarity and detail, especially in the mid-range frequencies. Used as rear surround speakers in a Dolby Atmos 7. One setup, they delivered true-to-life tones that were previously hidden. The customer even customized the look by spraying the speaker frets black, highlighting their versatility both in sound and style. If you want speakers that offer clear, responsive sound and flexible installation options, Pyle's 8-inch ceiling speakers are worth a look. They're built to last, with quality components that extend the product's life while delivering consistent audio performance. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or adding background music to your space, these speakers fit the bill. Ready to experience rich, powerful sound from your ceiling? Try Pyle's 8-inch ceiling speakers when you're ready to upgrade your audio setup. They combine value, quality, and convenience, all in one sleek package.